Good afternoon, kids. Good afternoon, beta.
किसी बच्चे ने हैकर्स को लिंक
Yes.
Ma'am, are you at school?
Yes, beta, I am in school. Okay. So, how many of you have done the work? I think you
Good
will
morning,
complete.
मैम
Good afternoon. Yes, beta.
Not done yet.
Okay, no
Ma'am?
problem. Yes. I know all of you will complete the work in this period. I'm resending, I'm resharing the screen. Just see from there.
Ma'am, I have done that.
You've made all of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful.
No, ma'am, I have
progress.
made 10.
Yes, you were supposed to make 10, no? So you have a good speed. You can make rest of them also. Don't sit idle. Okay, make all of them.
Ma'am, I also make 10. Yuvraj Gupta.
Okay, very nice. So now, like him, you also start making the rest. Now it will take some time to open. Okay, children, here it is. Start your work.
Ma'am, I make this.
मैम what we have to do in this
Okay, you have to take a sheet, any art sheet or any chart paper, whatever you have, and you have to make any 10 flags. You have to make them, draw them, you have to color them, and you have to then label them.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I make this.
you have already made this.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Daksh Pratap Singh.
Daksh Pratap Singh. Can you open your camera and show it to me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
it was in my home. And I am in my father's school.
Okay, fine, beta.
I click photo and send you when I
All right, no problem.
Ma'am, somebody is scribbling on the board.
मैम it's
Who is this child? Who is this child? I want to know.
मैम it's Daksh Pratap
Daksh, now you do it. I'll remove you from the class.
my drawing मैम not this but this is another and then I am starting for this Then I
Okay,
go-
show beta. Show. What is this?
Ma'am, we watch dreams. So there is a dream sky block. These names are in the sky.
Okay, very nice beta. Very good picture. Now again, somebody has started scribbling on the screen. Who is it?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I show? Ma'am, can I show my drawing?
This flag, these flags are you talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Show, beta, show. Have you completed? Have you colored the picture?
No, ma'am. I
Then
am
beta,
coloring.
complete it and then show.
Ma'am, in my one page, I can only make the 6.
Okay. Then draw the rest on the other page.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, how to do it? Ma'am, what are we doing?
Beta, can you see these flags? Can you see this screen that I have shared?
Yes, ma'am.
So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
different flags of different countries. These are 20 in number. Out of these 20 flags, you have to make any 10 flags. Draw these flags, color them, and then label them.
More than 10?
Yes, of course. That will be very nice.
Ma'am, you have to cut it and then make it.
No. Just on a sheet, on your drawing sheet or on your craft, chart paper, anything, you can draw these flags.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, before this class, that was Sadhana ma'am class, and
Okay.
somebody come in the Sadhana ma'am class and saying bad words to ma'am.
My God, that's so bad.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
he's I have sent some screenshot on Palak ma'am number and ma'am has sent on the group the message.
Okay, beta. Okay. Okay, now all of you concentrate on your work.
Ma'am, we have to do all the flags. Ma'am, एक और मैसेज आया है
Beta, be quiet. All of you be quiet.
पलक मैम सेंड करो Ma'am, we have to draw all the flags.
Yes, you have to draw any 10 flags out of these 20 flags.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me,
तुम कुछ ना करे रहो बाकी देख लिया जाए
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in second was excuse me, ma'am.
How many of you want to speak together?
चलो अभी क्लास हो जाए ना जब मैम
And who is not muted in the class? Just tell me this. Who is this student? I'm just removing him from the class. Now I just want to see who this student is. I'm not going to share anything.
The hottest chip challenge.
Arav Gupta, you want to be removed from the class?
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes. Yes, say.
Sap. Sorry, on YouTube.
Beta, what are you saying?
There is a box in which there is the most hottest chip.
And the most
Beta,
hottest
is it related to this work that we are doing right now in the class? Is that thing related to this work? If it is not related to this work, then please don't discuss about it. We are going to discuss it after we finish doing this work. Okay?
all this.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta, say. Yes, beta, who is calling me? You people say ma'am and then you.
Ma'am, I.
Beta, who was calling me? How do I know who was calling me?
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Say.
Ma'am, which flag is this?
Which one, beta?
Ma'am, I am writing with this pencil.
This is Canada. Okay, this one, this is Saudi Arabia. It is a little difficult one. You can leave this one. Don't draw this one.
Ma'am, I tried, but I tried drawing it, and it still turned up fine.
What cannot be found, Rishika?
For the language text in Saudi Arabia, it is just scribble.
Okay, ignore that. Utkarsh Yadav, now if you do this all this, I'm going to remove you from the class. Don't you know that you're not supposed to write on the screen? All right, now I'm just removing this Daksh. Let me see how he enters my class now.
Strawberry. Strawberry. Huh.
Daksh, now no need to sit here in the class because you're sitting idle, you have nothing to do and you're doing all this nonsense.
Mama, I have done. Mama, I've done my work.
Now, anybody who does it will be removed like Daksh. All of you make it very clear. Who has done?
Mama, Vamika.
Very nice, Vamika. You can share the picture on the class group, beta.
United States of America, China, United Kingdom, India, Indonesia, Mexico, South Korea, Argentina, France, South Africa, Canada, Australia, Japan,
Anyone has shared anything on the class group? Okay, Atharv Singh. Very nice, beta. Good work. Now, next time when you do any drawing work, you will do it even better. What you have done it now is also very good.
Ma'am, can I make Nepal flag also?
Yes, if you know, you can make that.
Ma'am, I can't make more because I've already made some flags.
Ma'am, please see
How many have you made, Rishika?
I am Harsh Patel.
Yes, what are you saying?
One's in the box or
I
one's
am
are
Harshvardhan.
Okay, okay,
Ma'am, please
Rishika,
check
okay.
WhatsApp. I have sent the image of flag.
All right, I'll just check it and let you know. Wow, wonderful, Harsh. Very nice work.
Ma'am, please see my short carry. Thank you, ma'am.
Shaurya Tyagi. Okay, Shaurya Tyagi's work also I'll check. Very nice, Shaurya. Good work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, please see my Vamika.
Vamika, yes, Vamika. Wonderful work, beta. Lovely.
Ma'am, I have more than 30 and 40, 50 flags.
You have made.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Wonderful.
Ma'am, that one you forget, which I'll show you.
Oh, yes, you showed me those lovely little flags. Yes, yes, I remember. Very nice work.
ma'am, you have a YouTube channel.
What?
Ma'am, you have a YouTube channel.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please see my work. Ma'am,
Yes, beta, show. Wow, it's looking very nice. Now color it and send it, beta.
okay. Ma'am, somebody is doing scribbling.
I'll remove him, don't worry.
Ma'am, I have done. Kunal.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice. Share it on the class group. Let me see what you've done. Okay, wonderful work, Kunal. That's really lovely.
Thank you, ma'am. इन सबको रख
Ma'am, I have not drew them neatly.
What are you saying, Rishika?
Ma'am, I did not draw them neatly.
Peter, why can't I understand what you're saying? Speak it once
I
again.
will type it in chat, okay, ma'am?
All right, Peter. Write it in your chat box. Why haven't you drawn them neatly? Now, Rishika, that's a funny reason. So you should know it separately, huh? That you have to do it neatly. Any work that is given to you, beta, you are supposed to do it neatly and nicely. You look very tired and exhausted today. Is it? Are you very tired?
Because I'm always up very late and always wake up at 7:30.
So why do you sleep late?
I don't know why. It's just a habit that came to me.
Ma'am, please check my flags. Ashri Agarwal.
Have you sent it on the class group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, I'll just see. Very nice. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done my work, so I can leave.
Have you shared it on the class group?
Yes, ma'am, in 3rd B.
Oh, Ashray, you're asking this. Okay, beta, you can leave.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Ma'am, if we're done, we have to leave the meeting.
Yes, beta, you can leave if you have done. Now be ready for your 0 period. Take a break of 10 minutes. Be ready for your 0 period. Only those who have done. Those who are still doing, please remain in the class.
But ma'am,
I have done. Please see my flags. I am sent on the group. Ma'am, I shorted that I have done.
Ma'am,
Now, beta, I will not individually tell everybody to leave. Once I have announced, you want to follow my instruction, you can.
ma'am,
Ma'am, Abhi go send the flags on the group and please check.
Very good, beta, very good.
ma'am, the reason why I'm not doing my work is because I have also made a few flags and I have also in the
10 flags.
Zero
Only
पे
for
क्या लेना
चक्के पे चक्का अपने करेगा.
Ma'am, please see.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have drawn Indian flag on this plate.
Okay, beta. But you were supposed to do it on a chart paper, no?
Ma'am, I have done.
All right, very nice. Riddhi Agarwal, you've done wonderful work. Beta, send it on the class group.
Ma'am,
You have sent Riddhi Agarwal. Okay, let me check. Your drawing looks amazing. Okay, wonderful work, beta. Very nice.
ma'am,
Yes.
I'm in Indian flag. The in the chakra, I make 12 lines.
But there are how many lines? How many spokes are there? Who will tell?
Ma'am, 24.
Yes. There are 24 spokes.
Ma'am, I know Rishabh Kumar because
Good.
I read the question answer, so it is count.
Ma'am, I send Yuvraj Gupta.
Okay, beta, very good. I'm checking my WhatsApp group continuously. So whosoever does it, keep sending your work over there.
Ma'am, can I show one magic?
Very nice, Virat. Beta, good work.
ma'am. Star.
Ma'am, please see the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am.